it's very important to me that it's not just about the weight numbers, because that's very hard for me to hold on to, and that's very mentally depressing, can be. So I really like that it also includes how much fat I'm losing and the inches that I'm losing and how I'm feeling better. The diet system that I've been doing has been really helpful. I don't have to think and overthink what I'm eating. I'm gluten-free because of the pain issues that I have, so it's very easy for it to fit into my lifestyle. There's nothing bad about them. I love them all.